Hello everyone. Today we will go through how to update your WordPress. If you receive this error, this is usually because your hosting have upgraded your PHP to the latest version. So you might get some errors or trouble updating if your PHP is older version. So usually your hosting will upgrade your PHP from time to time. This is usually majority of the hosting will do that, but once a while you may need to update the PHP by yourself. Now running the latest version of WordPress is good practice, because it's a bug-free and it's probably more efficient than the older version. So you go to the Cpanel. Then go to the select PHP version. As you can see here, the default PHP is 5.4. So I get the options to select a different version of PHP, so for this case would probably be using a stable version, which is 5.6 or 7.0. I'll go back to the WordPress software. I go to Updates. So I'll click on the Update Now button. Okay, so now we are able to update our WordPress to the latest. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.